So this is our lovely model, Melissa. Melissa has type 4 hair, so the shine product is going to be absolutely fantastic for her. Give it the flexibility it's absolutely crying out for and hydrate it. So in Melissa's hair, I've got the shine leave-in conditioner, and on top of that, I've got the shine gel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shingle it. It's a really easy method, and it's just encouraging the natural texture of her hair. I'm just taking bits of her hair and just twisting it in my fingers and creating these little coils. She's got coily hair anyway, and this just kind of encourages it just to be separated, so it gives the hair more definition. Okay, look at the great texture we've got through here now. That's amazing. Now I've dried her hair off. It's probably about 70% dry. I've just left that extra 30% just so it can dry naturally, so it's not going to get too fuzzed up. And then I'm just going to pull out with my comb, with my Afro pick, just to pick the roots out a little bit, just to stretch the roots out. Just gently pick that out. Or you can even stretch it out with your fingers as well, like this.